Okay, even at the end of the lecture, I'll display it once again. Is that so? So let's go on to the next sum. This is over. Question number 9. Please confirm. Question number yes. Before I start with question, let's say before I start question number 10, let me say I'm giving you I'm telling you, voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Clear now. Clear. Okay. Okay. Now, let me tell you that I'm telling your marks और मैंने बोला you got 60 less 10 marks. मतलब आपको कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं? आपके मार्क्स में सीधा सीधा नहीं बोला. I'm telling you got 60 less 10 marks. इसका मतलब आपको मार्क्स कितने मिले? How much marks you have scored? 50, 60 less 10, right? क्या बोला मैंने? 60 less 10. So 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50. So directly instead of saying you got 50, what I'm saying? You got 60 less 10. So that is 50 marks. Any doubt here? Any doubt with this statement? Okay. Next, I'm saying you got 60, be careful, huh? Less 10% marks. So how much marks you have got? Therefore, marks is equal to 60 less 10%. So 54. Calculate correct. 54 is correct. How you got this? 60 minus ka minus and then what? 60 is 60. Less means minus 10%. But 10% of what? 10% of what? I never said 10% of what, but 10% of marks, agreed? 10% of marks, agreed? It is actual calculation is 60 into 10%, 10 divided by 100. 0, 0 got cancelled, 0, 0 got cancelled. So this is 60 minus 6, which is 54. So 10% of what? Automatically it means 10% of 60. Clear? Clear this point? Okay. Now, let me revise before we start. As usual, revision. What is the first step? What is the first step? सबसे पहले क्या आता है? Property value, correct? Property value. Prop value लिखता हूँ. Property value. General it is given. General it is given. Given in the question. What is next? What comes at point number 2? After property value? Policy value. How do you calculate policy value? Policy value depends on property value. Agreed? Policy value is equal to property value into rate of policy. Rate of policy. What is third step? Premium. Premium. What is premium is equal to? Premium is equal to policy value into rate. Rate of premium. Rate of premium. पॉलिसी में रेट ऑफ पॉलिसी, प्रीमियम में रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? फोर्थ प्रीमियम के बाद कमीशन. कमीशन विल बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन व्हाट? कमीशन किस पे कैलकुलेट होता है? कमीशन इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन प्रीमियम into commission is calculated on premium into rate of what? Commission. पहला word commission, last word also commission. Then what next? Actually fifth step nahi. What is next? Loss calculation. Calculate loss amount. Calculate loss amount. And last step, claim. Last time is claim. Claim means the money which you will receive from insurance company is equal to loss into policy value upon property value. Okay. What is claim? Claim means the amount which you will receive from insurance company. The amount which you receive from insurance company is called as claim. Okay. Now let's start with the next sum. Question number 10. A car valued rupees 8 lakhs is insured for rupees 5 lakhs. The rate of premium is 5% less 20%. देखो क्या बोला है? 5% less 20%. Directly premium rate is not given. Indirectly it's given. We'll have to calculate final rate of premium. Okay. What is premium? What is rate of premium? Rate of premium is 5% less 20%. We'll do that. Premium rate is 5% less 20%. Okay. How much will the owner bear including the premium if the value of car is reduced to 60%? दोस्तों ये समझा दूं मैं आपको. Reduced to, there are two terms, reduced to and reduced by. But which slide beta? This one? ये वाला? और इससे अच्छा एक मिनट रुक. ये स्क्रीन लेने से अच्छा ये वाला स्क्रीन ले. सेम है ये अच्छा है, प्रिंटेड है ये. Same thing is there. Property value given, policy value, premium, commission, calculate loss amount and claim. ये लिया ही था पहले अपन ने. ये पहले हो गया अपना. ओके चलिए. एनीवे हो गया. Yes, this sum. Okay. Let me explain you what is reduced by and reduced to. समझ लेना पहले reduced by and reduced to. The two terms reduced by and reduced to. Okay, Yash, afterwards at the end of the lecture. Yes, at the end of the lecture. Starting में दिखाया था मैं. I think you joined late. So at the end of the lecture. Okay. Okay. Now reduced to 60%. Reduced to 60%. Reduced to 60% means 2 है. Reduced to 2 में आ गया तो 60 100 माइनस 60 कितना हो जाता है? मीन्स लॉस इज 40%। तो समझा क्या? रिड्यूस टू 60%, टू वर्ड है, टू 60%। सो 100 माइनस 60, 100 माइनस 60 इज हाउ मच? 40%. 100 minus 60 is 40%. Hello, hello. Reduce to 60%
पढ़ाई के लिए
means
मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी
reduce
का
to
साथ।
60% means losses. Hello, hello, dear student. Losses 40%, and then they may say another wording is reduce by 60%। अगर बोल देते reduce by बोल दिया, by reduce by means loss is given percentage, loss is whatever given 60%। Be careful, get the meaning clearly। reduce to 60% का मतलब क्या होता है? reduce to 60%, 60% हो गया means loss is 40%, and reduce by, whenever by is said, the same amount itself is a loss, same percentage itself is a loss, 60%, so means loss is 60%। if you want, write down a note at the top of your notebook, top margin में लिख के रखो ये note। reduce to 60% means loss is 40%, and reduce by 60% means loss is 60% itself। समझा क्या? इंग्लिश का फर्क है ये, reduce to and reduce by। is it clear? Yes student, is it clear? In case of 2, you'll have to minus it from 100, and in case of by, whatever is given, that itself is a loss। write down this note at the top margin of your notebook, notebook के top margin में लिख के रखो। लिखा गया? चले अभी sum। now a car means here the property is car। answer, what is the property value given in the question? Property value, what is the property here? Your property is car। if you want, write in bracket car, property value, that is car, is equal to 8 lakhs। given in the question। next, first step is over, property value हो गया। what is the next step? policy value, is it given or you have to calculate? policy value given or you'll have to calculate? Given, how much? Policy value is 5 lakhs rupees। given। प्रॉपर्टी हो गया, पॉलिसी हो गया। व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? थर्ड स्टेप, After property policy, next premium. But premium mein rate is not given directly. So let us calculate first rate of premium. To calculate premium, you will require rate of premium. Premium calculate करने के लिए rate of premium लगेगा क्या? To calculate premium, do you require rate of premium? Yes. And rate of premium directly it's not given. What they are saying? Rate of premium is. What is given? Rate of premium directly नहीं दिया, indirectly दिया है. Rate of premium is equal to what they are said is 5% less 20%. Given in the question. Agreed? Agreed? So what is that equal to? What is that equal to? 5% means 5 upon 100. All of you agree? 5% means 5 upon 100. Less means minus 20%. 20% of what? 5% less 20%. 20% of what? ना 20% of 5 lakh नहीं बेटा. Rate of premium है 5% less 20% of 5%. Okay, let me write that way. Let me write one more line, then I'll write this. 5% minus 20% of 5%. Yes, 20% of 5%. Now, what do you mean by 5%? समझा क्या ये? 20% of 5%. पहला कितना था? 5% था ना? तो 5% का 20%. 20% of 5%. Now, what do you mean by 5%? 5% means नहीं समझा, इसलिए तो पहले एग्जाम्पल लिया. मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया. ऐसे क्या करते तुम लोग? योर मार्क्स मैंने बोला योर मार्क्स आर 60 less 10% means how much? Marks is equal to 60 less 10%. 60 का 60 less का minus 10% of what? 10% of the earlier amount. कितना ये 60? 10% of 60. Let me write here. 10% of 60. So that is 60 minus 60. Same amount आता है into 10%. 10 divided by 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. This 0 and this 0 got cancelled. 60 minus 6. That is 54. Clear? Clear this point? पहला जो अमाउंट होता है उसी का परसेंटेज होता है. Earlier amount का percentage. Now look at here. What is our first amount? 5%. पहला कितना है? लेस के पहला कितना है? 5%. So 20% of 5%. लेस के पहला कौन सा वर्ड है? 5% है. लेस के पहला जो वर्ड है वही आएगा. तो 5% means what? 5 upon 100 minus again 5 upon 100 into कितना? Into कितना? 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100. 21s are 20. 25s are 100. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So that is equal to कितना हो रहा है? तो से कितना हो रहा है? That is equal to 5 upon 100 minus 1 upon 100. Agreed? 5 upon 100 minus 1 upon 100. That is equal to 4 upon 100. What do you mean by 4 upon 100? What do you mean by 4 upon 100? That is equal to 4%. Agreed? 4 upon 100 is nothing else but 4%. समझा क्या? तो रेट ऑफ प्रीमियम फाइनली कितना है? Indirectly they have said 5% less 20%, but 5% less 20% is 4%. So what is rate of premium? Is rate of premium 5%? Is rate of premium 5%? No. How much it is? How much it is? It is 4%. Okay. So now let us calculate. Now we got rate of premium. Let us calculate premium now. So premium is equal to, क्या लिखेंगे? Premium is equal to, premium is calculated on what? Premium किस पे calculate होता है? Premium is calculated on what? Policy. Premium is equal to policy value multiplied by policy value multiplied by rate of premium. Rate of premium was not given to you directly, indirectly दिया था. Finally we got that rate. What is policy value? Check करो कितना है policy value? 5 lakhs.